How to hide names and messages on WhatsApp notification bar. To do this, you must have WhatsApp on your phone and make sure that it is updated to its latest version. To do that, you can simply go on the Google Play Store on your phone and update it. And after you have done it, the first thing you can do is go on the settings on your phone and then click for lock screen there. And when you tap on allow notification bar, you will see many options, and if you disable the option of allow notification bar in the lock screen, then your notification will not be shown in the lock screen. The next thing what you can do is just tap on WhatsApp and click on app info. Just scroll down and click on manage notifications, and now what you can do is click on message notifications, and you can click on hide notification content when locked. So what this will do is it will show you the notification of getting messages, but it will not show you the content, the message full lengthy. So it's very helpful for not invading your privacy and a very good option to follow as well. So this is how you do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do subscribe our channel.